Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni page bat subscribe ya u Antor News.
Nakaliang jongka Meghalaya School Welfare Development Association Central Body ni lawan nambar baik isa Preston Tensong Deputy Chief Minister ila khot yang ingin mentagasni nakabanta bania kran sani halor katukam memorandum kabang ila dapat summit syaka government ha kan ka khat sau tarik jong uni upanai April mata usnam te kadai ka memorandum kabang ila resubmit ila banong ila pha biang remen syar ko la ju pha na ko ka post ko por te halor kan ka hakad kan memorandum kamat kapanikong kapang yadai na kapanta ki secondary but higher secondary kadai ka way na kimat kaba ngiyoi ba i sa Preston ru ila panpau ha katuka jingkran juk iya po madan student nanti ba kadai ka setiap kaba ar kaba ngihap pan pendap panle eda kapanta jongki te tingso tanap sibuan ba matakas ngi layo bania kren bania bahaya gini gijing don kam gini secondary higher secondary kumjuru ya kitigi pat ki issue ki badan roteli ki issue ha kami berondam tinga sikwa ban ni thu kumne ba ha kaji sisya anu sna baladap kaladan kecing kenduk bat education minister adu rakam isangma ha kami berondam ka bagila ha ka sautrek jo bra April jo stem ajar pesan ha ka ba nilayo ro ban yakran kala jo minister uang ba kadai ka kam kadai ka mau sokhia tani kata ka matter of his concern te hari kata ngila ya tho no sa chief minister advice ni ban tho chief minister ngila ya tho chief minister bat haka khat nyo tarik jong April tingyo i ba chief minister haka ar pesau tarik ru ya kata kasi chi ula ha saka education department ban examen bat ha ya ka report sya kata kadiga bang te hari kata kopor ngila ya kedo ban gudien ya commissioner secretary ka jingya kan haka kopor commissioner secretary wa ba betangi dan kadiga chief secretary na kapita ka propose MEG mo ancam senam la ya sa ka discussion la ya ha ki IG buat tata sa ka language policy tata hari tu kawan nak sa ka pen kala documentary how bra Oktober ngila ikendu ya mala keman rumpoi ngila ai ka posting jong ka general meeting ban hantur ngila ya kran ba tito ka nak lai juk ki pen pau ki e na bar ba ha ka te ka senam kila ki hapat pendek so ki kam ki ba khamak ki kila ai commitment kap tami tu ki LP and UP ma SSA ba ki adap tenak lai jungi ngi asia ni te ta usna pat akan ke jirwan sa hisian pat ha ka bangila pha memorandum ngila pekre ya ka memorandum ka badan rengkat ki detail ki fact and figures jong ki school baru ki badan ha ka jela te mantan kelawan ke jingkeli la phi mikmat tangna ka benta ka Meghalaya School Welfare Development Association tanda ki school jom ki khot na represent ya baro ngi ong bang represent na ka ki school baro la ki dong ki ba pnia de ki mission ki dan bon ki baran de ki mission Catholic Presbyterian data Uram Krishna mission data private organization ba pia ngi mi ki ba ka ki school baro but ya kini ki list ki bang iparu wi na shim ya ka information ka bobyang na ka da trade but deng ba ki SEO jong kini ki district baru kepada nak jela kamu dan tak kat wei kili ki SEO ma nomor ba ka eastern west ka dang happy ya penong stud ke di SEO ngi tak kat wei kili te kai ka bami mentana le ki kedan ala pang ka ba masuk pani tu lekot pi ka long ba isa Preston ni ila ong ba ina de kran siam ke di ka ba bang dei ban le ya kan ni te hintai nginam na ba surai ku ni ngidot kam ya kata ka jing ya shop jongi bang commissioner secretary bunsen pada shop bunsen ila ong yang ni bang ni shop bunsen pania penbek pania ai ya kata ka jing ai jing bot ka biang sak sarkar ban kabinet ka approve kumbale ya kini ki LPUP mo kini ki SSA beladap katu ka jing ya kendu na ko ka por kana bakin pha ya kata ka report ka biang tina kalian ju komisioner sekretari ru dalam betan ha ka dengan jing kran di Sir Vijay Kumar Menteri lo orang yang ni ba sakot no aduk ni ka tayo wan sakot na yang ni ka dengan meeting ko ni kong sapun kre kita gijur ka baro na kalian ju ka sen ni ya train lah bat ka department berpet pembiang yang kini baru kadang ba ngila bat address ke kini ki issue ju kini ki school kawai ka ba ngila kran betan kalong để sẽ cả sarkar cấp lại vấn đề season này một đây như là vấn đề tại cả phase wise cả là vấn đề season asin license social tăng ba nhìn pek kadang baru kini ki school khamtam nama ka jingdon ni ki number ki secondary ba high secondary ki don tak pa ka saus pa la dan ye sim ye nujar pada ye ki LP UP ki duk khandai aja mudur fi de na ta kadau kala mi ka drop out ka babon ha ka level jo ka secondary ba high secondary kadi ki tini jo ka drop out ka dai ru number ba ki pa kimla de ban ya karshan school le ki nama ka di ka kardan kala ham he kajing siu ke bai school bu kala he balai ki hapan siu ke bai school nama ki school ki namla ke penia dara ka sarkar ka ai ki jing yara pe ki hamta me ki jaka no benda de na ta ka mi ka drop out de khata ban petikna ba ka drop out dia ha ka di ka jela ka jogi kan ki mo ni ni berkelat ba ki di atli ki level ha ka secondary ba high secondary ki di badan kam bahat but ya ka school ni la ban ong ho ya ka performance ka school laju bai du na gini na ka result jogi kom joru u khana school na ka khana school ha ki sau thu ya la ka jong ka bor ka jingla jong ki la de ka jingya sakmat de len ba kini ki kerda di kopta nginum la ban yo ya kata ka pelong ke jela jong ka ba kiyo ha ka yo ka kot lada ni kentai lada lada ngimle ai saya kini ki lebat ba namar lada khna sikot ta class e ba kat position te hoi ka compulsory of education ka di ta class e ngila la ta ka jing ong ba ki de ki illiterate ila ha mo kio ka percentage ka literacy andai kan yang pat ba khna jigi ki chau ta hadu class e ki dan kam education di kembangan OIP kenya ka ratio jogi di secondary ki badak compare ba number ki lower primary and upper primary kami hap shu ang nuru de ni su thu ba number jogi LP and UP ka access de ka number jogi secondary ba higher secondary ka tang tuna ta ke nama thana ka de ka goi ka mat ka bang kita ya grand ham ta stenat sigot ya ba preston te ngin le ngin pendap ya kata ko mulai ong ha ka phase wise but ngin ya song sausin sansin mo commission la menjore ka bang ngin ya trailang ngin pekre bah ya ki di tier baru ya school welfare development association central body we met the honorable deputy chief minister Sir Preston Tensong to discuss for this memorandum as we have already submitted on 14 April of this year. The main agenda that we discussed today is for the matter related with the secondary and higher secondary. As you have seen, Sir Preston highlight and brief this issue on the playground, Madam student, on the program on first this month, April. So regarding this, we discuss in detail for all the 6 agenda that we have mentioned in this memorandum. Regarding this, the proposal for financial support or grant aids to secondary and higher secondary school is one of the issue that we have demand from time to time. Since 2025, in April 4th, we have submitted the memorandum to the government, and we have already discussed the issue with the Sir Rakam Isangma, Honorable Education Minister, for this issue. And Sir Rakam Isangma also, he said that this is the matter of his concern. So he advised us to move to the Chief Minister. Then after that, we already written to the Chief Minister and addressed this issue related with the secondary and higher secondary. Then we have got this letter from Chief Minister that he sent to the Commissioner of Secondary to examine and to report in detail on this purpose. So this is the letter from the Chief Minister on 17 or 24 April 2025. So when we discussed with Commissioner, he said that now we have to focus for this lower primary and upper primary, as the government is committed to fulfill the aspiration, the need and aspiration of this issue. So after that, I would like to inform you that during this meeting today, we have decided the Honorable Chief Minister, Sir President Song, instruct the Commissioner Secretary to call the meeting with the association for 4 or 5 times as required, and to frame more in detail and to submit to the cabinet for approval. Then he assured us that he will fulfill our demand and in the fierce manner. But see, there are so many schools in the lower primary and upper primary, up to 9,000. But in secondary and higher secondary, we have only 1,400. See, it's a big difference from the ratio. That's why there is a dropout of the student in the secondary and higher secondary. So now we already discussed and decide that the committee will be held in next week. Commissioner Secretary, Friday, we will sit with the Commissioner Secretary to frame and the presentation and all the detail. Then we will submit to the cabinet for approval. Then this day is very happy for us that this issue is assured that the government will take necessary steps. Thank you.